The human brain is truly amazing. And today I will share with you 10 amazing English phrases that include the word brain. So get your brain into gear and let's go. To brainwash. To brainwash someone means that you make them believe that something's true by constantly telling them that it is. So you manipulate them to your way of thinking. You brainwash them. Have you ever been brainwashed?
Oranges don't grow on trees. They're made in a factory. They're full of pollutants. They will make you sick. It's radioactive. You'll turn orange. It's a plot by the government. A global conspiracy. They're out to get you.
To have a brain like a sieve. A sieve is an object in the kitchen that helps to separate food from water when you've been boiling it or soaking it in water. It's like a bowl full of holes, so the water just passes straight through and it catches all the objects that you want to save. Now, if you have a brain like a sieve, then it means you have a very bad memory and you forget things so easily. Sometimes I feel like I have a brain like a sieve. What did I do this morning? I've forgotten. I can't remember anything these days. I've got a brain like a sieve. To have a brain wave. This is very simply to have a very sudden and clever idea. It just washes over you. To have a brain wave. Oh, I just don't. I'm supposed to make a video, but I can't think of any ideas. What to do? I know! I'll make a video about English idioms. Yes! To wrap your brain around something. Sometimes you'll hear the phrase to wrap your head around something as well. And this means to be able to fully understand something, to try and concentrate or focus on it to understand all the details. Can you get your brain around that description?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, I just can't work it out.
What?
How to wrap my brain around this contract. I mean, I can wrap the contract around my brain, but I don't know how to do it the other way around, to get this brain around the contract. I just don't understand. If you say your brain is fried, it means that your brain is tired. You're mentally tired and unable to do basic cognitive tasks like concentrate and make decisions. Oh, my brain is fried.
Anna, can we talk about a complicated but incredibly important matter?
I'm sorry, I literally can't. My brain is fried.
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that brain is not going to function anytime soon.
To pick someone's brain. This one means that you ask someone for information or advice because their brain holds more information than yours does. So you pick at it to try and find the information that you need. Nick, can I pick your brain for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just not sure if it's a good decision to move forward with a property purchase now that I know that the last few owners have popped their clogs in there.
It is a tricky one, I have to say.
If you are described as the brains behind something, like a great idea, a new initiative, an event, an organisation, then it means that you are the person who planned it, who organised it, who orchestrated the whole thing. You are the brains behind it. Thank you so much, everyone, for this amazing award. What an honour. But I cannot take all the credit. After all, I am just the face of the brand. This company would not exist if it wasn't for the amazing ideas of Brain. Let me just bring him out here. To be brain dead. Now, There are two meanings of brain dead. There's a very literal meaning, which means your brain has sustained an injury that it cannot recover from, it cannot function any longer. Or there's the metaphorical version that we use, and when we use it, we're referring to someone who is completely exhausted mentally and cannot function anymore, or they are a bit stupid. So if you call someone brain dead, be careful of the context, because you're either calling them stupid or you might be suggesting that they're very mentally tired. In fact, I would only ever say that I am feeling a bit brain dead. I'd never say that anyone else is brain dead.
I'm sorry. We did everything we could. She's gone. Are you gonna be okay?
It's not funny. Next up is brain dump. To brain dump is the act of transferring all the contents of your mind based on a particular topic onto a blank page. The point is to declutter your mind in order to allow you to focus. Oh, I am full of ideas. My head, it feels like it's gonna explode. There's so much in there. Hang on a minute. Oh, that's better.
What did you just do?
Oh, I just brain dumped. Now I can think straight. And our final brain phrase for today is brain fart. How fantastic. The word fart means to expel gas from your bottom, and brain fart is basically a temporary mental lapse or a failure to reason and function mentally. So for example, if you forget your name, what's my name? Sorry, I'm just having a brain fart. Anna, of course, a brain fart.
It was lovely to talk to you. Can I get your number?
Yeah, of course. It's 01... I'm sorry about that. Oh, sorry, what was I saying? Yes, my number. It's 016... sorry, my number's 016... 0161? No. 060... sorry. What did you do that for? Think next time. Fantastic. I hope that your brain has managed to absorb all of those new phrases. Try to use some of them in the comment section below and put what you've learned into practice. Now, if you'd like the notes to keep forever and remember our time together, then I've put together a PDF for you. All you have to do is click on the link below, fill in your details to join our ESL mailing list, and I will send them to you. Until next time, thanks for joining and goodbye.